Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how you can connect Toon Blast to Apple ID. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video since the process is quite easy. Open your Toon Blast application and make sure that you are inside your main homepage. From the main homepage, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner, which will then open up the Settings tab. Now, in order to sign in using your Apple ID, go ahead and tap on the Sign in with Apple option and then go ahead and enter your Apple ID credentials. Tap on the Continue button in the pop-up and then go ahead and sign into your Apple ID by entering your credentials or with your Face ID. Soon after you are done, you will be able to claim your gift. Since you have logged in using Apple ID, tap on Claim and you will then receive 100 coins on your account. So that is how you can easily connect to Toon Blast with Apple ID. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.